This is a BSR C129R record changer. I've gone through and cleaned all the old grease off of it after disassembling the changer mechanism. And that includes the motor bearings and the platter bearings. It's got a brand new cartridge and stylus. The old cartridge had a deteriorated saddle, so I replaced the entire cartridge and stylus. And everything's working like new on it. This is the cycling cam, and this gets removed and gets cleaned so it rotates nice and smoothly, and the trip levers as well. And that's the platter bearing that's been cleaned and re-greased. The motor bearing, those have been cleaned and re-lubed, as well as the idler wheel. And the entire mechanism was disassembled and very lightly re-lubricated after degreasing it. Standard connections for your phono output and the power plug. Motor bearings were taken out and cleaned and re-lubricated, and has these regular shafts. If you've never taken a turntable out, you just need to get underneath the base, and you'll see these in this position. There's two of them, and you just have to flip them up like that, and it'll lift right out, and then you can unplug the phono cable and power plug. It'll come without a base. This is for a replacement for your console or all-in-one system. This one actually came out of a Panasonic all-in-one. So the platter has the Panasonic branding on it, but it's your typical BSR changer. I've got a couple records stacked up here for demonstration, running through my amplifier here. Everything works nice and smooth. And I've adjusted the set down position properly. This one's got a queuing lever. That's the size adjuster. And this is a 3-speed model. And the end of play, return, and shut off functions just fine.